Hello YouTube, welcome to Floppy Review channel. Today I am doing unboxing review for Withings Body Plus weight scale. Hello YouTube, this is unboxing review for Withings Body Plus scale, and it is very high-tech and Wi-Fi enabled scale, which doesn't tell you only your weight of the body, but it also tells you the chemical composition about your body, details, and they are pretty much accurate about the details. So hang tight and keep watching. So I ordered this through online from Apple's website. So I just got it today in the mail, and this is pretty good. Withings Body Composition Wi-Fi scale. It's a balancing scale, smart body monitoring, more than a weight. It tells your body weight in kilogram or pounds, body fat, water percentage in your body, and the muscles and bone mass in your body. And weight training, it gives you the feedback. It tells you the weather condition if you connect it with the Wi-Fi. It also try to motivate you based on your weight, that you should work out more, go to gym more often, go to running and cardio more often. Even if you want, you can lift some weights, so you know that how much muscles you are gaining, things like that, how much protein intake you are taking. So if you are a hardcore gym guy or hardcore sports fitness guy, you gotta watch it, what you eating and how you are training, so your coach can give you a better feedback to improve on the areas which need more attention. So this is that's what I order. I want to check it out how things are, and it looks pretty good. I mean, its packaging is pretty good. I mean, it's the same as like Apple MacBook. So it works with your app as well. I'll show you today how the app works. It connects with Apple or Google Play. It syncs with HealthMate App. It's on Apple Store or Google Play, and also Withings. I just noticed actually when I ordered, Withings is part of Nokia. Actually, its parent company is Nokia, who used to manufacture cell phones, but yeah, I guess they are into manufacturing the health devices. So hang tight and keep watching. Let me just open it from the box. What's happening here? Okay, it's just the box there, nothing else. This is a Withings mat, and that is box itself. It comes with I think it's a installation guide. That's what it looks like. Yeah, there are 4 batteries I think inside here, 4 AAA batteries. There's an installation instruction, things like that. Go within app, all that good stuff. Setup procedures, know more about Body Plus, things like that. Make sure no water on the mat when you're weighing yourself. Make sure you're not wearing socks or shoes while weighing yourself. Customize your screen in your app. There's a lot of good stuff in there. So I ordered from Apple Canada. I'm in Canada, so I got it from Apple Canada, and they're pretty good. I mean, it's a very fast service, home delivery. I think they use like UPS, FedEx, or Canada Post, and they're very fast delivery people. They deliver very fast, quick service on my doorstep. So yeah, so this is the scale itself. This is the scale here. It's not very thick at all, very lightweighted, not very heavy, and it comes with these 4 legs, I guess. Oops. Well, one thing I know that it doesn't break. So that's a 4 legs for the scale. And so let's do opening for this. It's a pretty cool, nice packaging, similar to Apple's Max. So yeah, let's see how the quality of the scale is. Packaging is good, as similar as Apple. But let's see the real stuff. How real is this? Okay, so this goes right here. Okay. Yeah, it's totally sticked. And this goes right there. Okay. This goes right there. It looks like that we remove the 3M sticker. It looks like this. We remove 3M sticker on it and we stick it on the back of the scale, and that's the legs for the scale. Now these are yeah, it's 4 AAA batteries already in there. We just have to remove the sticker. It goes here and you're good to go. What is this? Let's see what this is. Let me grab my phone. Okay, so it mentions that if you click on this, you can detect your mat weight scale via Bluetooth. So let's press this and look for the weight. Hey guys, welcome back again at the Floppy Review channel for Withings Body Plus review. Sorry about the gap in the middle. I was trying to set up app of Withings, and let me show you how to set up and how easy it is to use the app. So this is app. Okay, give me 1 second. So this is my app, Withings, where I monitor my body mass and everything, and it's very easy to set up. It's not very tough at all. It takes 2 minutes once it connects with your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Other than that, it's very straightforward and simple to connect. It's Withings. They have a main dashboard, how much the weight, BMI. It tells you about body mass, water weight, fat content, things like that. So it's very helpful app to know inside your body what's happening. And this app is designed, you in Withings also have a lot of programs in there. If you want to start their programs, like a training based programs to improve your health based on the age. And Withings also have a weight program. If you are pregnant, based on that you can set up the tracking of your pregnancy cycle and the weight of yourself, things like that. So it's like it's a very good tool if you want to stay in home, and inside home you want to track your health conditions and your body conditions. It's very useful that way. And this is one of the devices I connected through Body Plus, through Withings app. App name on the Apple Store is HealthMate App. It looks like this, the one in the middle. This is very useful connective app and your health conditions. So and That's what Withings is doing. Withings is part of Nokia. Main company is Nokia, who manufactures cell phones. Not anymore, but they're manufacturing a lot of health products, working with Apple. So it's a great company to work for. Scale itself is very high quality scale. It's not very heavy or bulky at all. It's very digital. The numbers are very clear to see on the scale. It can be easily be changed via app. The settings of the scale, if you want to see like kilograms or pounds, or whether updates you can see on the scale, things like that. It's basically small settings, small features on your weight scale to track your, to motivate you better, to be more healthy, and making more healthy choices in your lifestyle, and tracking your weight, food eating habits, not eating too much junk food, things like that, not oily food, fried food, focus on more vegetables, boiled rice, things like that. I mean, based on your height and weight of the body. So based on that, you can decide what's best for you. But in general, these apps, these tools such as like Polar, fitness tracker watch, Withings weight scales, these smart gadgets, basically it helps you track your health conditions, and decide what food and what intake is right for you, how much workout is needed for your body to improve, to go to a next level. You can set up goals, how much running you want to do, how much walking you want to do. If you are a regular runner going to gym regularly 30 minutes a day, and you think that it's not giving you enough impact on your body, I think you should go to 45 minutes a day, increase it to 45 minutes a day. For some people, if 45 minutes too much, they want to focus in 30 minutes, that's fine. It basically gives you the inside of your body, that how much is needed to improve, where it needed to improve. Once you know, you can work on it, and you can fix on things like this is a message from us, Floppy Review channel, that keep watching our channel. We'll give you more good stuff, inside review about the health fitness gadgets and more. And please be healthy this year and make the best choices, and happy new year and merry Christmas. Thank you. Have a nice day.